Hello friends, Namaste. The very good morning from Betrify. So this is a second company that I am taking in continuation. This is to share the analysis of the results of Nestle India. Nestle has also declared the results today. Today means on 19th of October. So now this is morning. So this is 20th of October. So let us see the analysis of Nestle India results. So Nestle India results, which is again a big company in FMCG like Hindustan Unilever. So the second quarter results were declared today on 19th of October. As I always say that I only share the snapshot view of the results to take little time to make shorter video. See the coming to the top line of the company, the total income of the company is increased by 11.70% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 9.51% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the bottom line, the net profit, it is increased by 14.63% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 5.16% on year-on-year basis. Coming to the earnings per share is increased by 14.64% on quarter-on-quarter basis. That is from 55.86 to 64.04. And the same is increased by just 5.17% on year-on-year basis. That is from 60.89 to 64.04. Coming to the margins, the operating profit margin is increased by very little, by 0.18%, and whereas it is declined by 2.46% on year-on-year basis. The net profit margin is increased by 2.65% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is declined by 4.01% on year-on-year basis. Let us see how the stock price has performed with these results. See, the stock price has increased by 9.98% on quarter-on-quarter basis. That is from 17,646 to 19,407, and the same is increased by 21.29% on year-on-year basis. So the stock was somewhere around 17,083 on 31st March 2021, that is last year end of March, and the same has moved to 19,407 as of today. Now again, just like Hindustan Unilever, Nestle is also part of FMCG index. Let's see how the FMCG index has performed. The FMCG index is increased by 9.27% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same is increased by 33.45% on year-on-year basis. The Sensex is increased by 17.96% on quarter-on-quarter basis, and the same Sensex is increased by 59.49% on year-on-year basis. Now see the disconnect. EPS is increased by 14.64% on quarter-on-quarter basis, whereas the stock is increased by 9.98% on year-on-year basis, quarter-on-quarter basis. The EPS is increased just by 5.17% on year-on-year basis, whereas the stock price is increased by 21.29% on year-on-year basis. And the margins have declined. And the BSE FMCG index is increased by 33.44% on year-on-year basis, and the Sensex is increased by 59.49%. So this is how the results of the Nestle were declared as on today. And after the declare of the results, let us see how the market has reacted to the results and what was the impact on the stock price. See, the previous close of the stock price was 19,438.45. That is a day before. So that is on 18th. And it opened at 19,475. And it went as low as 19,284. And it went as high as 19,732. And finally, it closed at 19,406. They were declining by 31.90 rupees, and with a small declining percentage of 0.16%. But I don't know, as of the stock has sustained at this level. Now, a quote for motivation from Benjamin Franklin: for all of us who are striving hard and striving hard to make some wealth, create some wealth. So on that journey, this quote will stay with us. At the back, we can always keep this at the back of our mind, and it will continue to motivate us. An investment in education always pays the highest returns. So this is what the results of Nestle India company were, and the market has not reacted to these results very sharply. But seeing these results declining in margin and very little increase in EPS, whereas very high increase in the stock price for year-on-year basis, I don't think this price will be sustained. In my opinion, seeing these results, there could be some more correction into the stock price of Nestle India. So that is it as far as Nestle result analysis is concerned for Q2 of the current financial year. Thank you so much for listening. I will continue to share with you the results of other companies as they are declared. So let us meet again on the results of some other company. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.